Hey Attention Modern Airs, Adrian here at the fix and flip / rehab we're doing here at the Cliff Main Harvey Park. Good progress has been made today and it's sunny. I know this is the crazy day that's supposed to be super nice and then tomorrow's supposed to drop. Everyone always like joke about it, but that's Colorado, that's what happens. Being born and raised here, it's pretty normal for me to see that. Good progress going on here, which is great, so I want to show it to you. Flip you around here. The battery's also dying, so maybe a quicker video than usual, but it's been a crazy day out in the field for me, so that's why there's less of a battery than usual. All right, checking in. Here we go.
All right, from the front door here, we've got the Big Chill appliances. They've arrived. Super stoked about them. Let the clients pick out the color, and I think it's gonna look amazing in there. Again, you can see the natural light flowing into here. The wall is nice and white. These are gonna again be all switched out to vinyl. The kitchen shape is coming up great. Got that back wall ready to roll. The cabs are going in. The island's in. Cork floor's in. Trim colors going on. It's a lot of cool stuff. So happy about it. Heading down here. They put the wrong toilet in this bathroom, but I actually don't hate it, so if I can find another pink toilet in the meantime, I will do it, but I'll give you a quick preview. Super stoked about it. Custom-made vanity that's there. Again, a little more on the trend tile, but it's a nod to kind of end of the Art Deco mid-century era. Tiling's getting done. Painting's about done in this room. Again, it's down to just the floors. This room is next on the list to get sanded and painted. This one's ready to roll. Into here, there's just the typical closet that's getting changed out obviously to the master closet. As always, you can see how amazingly bright and sunny it is in here. Again, I just love looking back at the house, just makes it feel massive when you don't need that big of a footprint. Everything's going great in this room. This room again is nice and progressing as well. And it looks like a halt, but it's a little bit that gets done before we go crazy on finishing everything out in there. So very happy with that progress. So anyway, that's good. That's our update. I'm happy about it. Good progress on everything that's here. Really excited for how this kitchen's coming together. Outside, I think I've just been able to show you this before, but we were able to get that wall put up there. Move from this side to that side, demoed this out, and so it's fully open now. So I'm pretty excited about how that's looking. Yes, things are going. We're coming down to the last 3 weeks total. I got about 2 weeks before we get to the timing for getting the appraisal done, and then it was kind of the last week of scrambling. So anyway, thanks for checking in.